Hello, I'm Damon Bailey and well done for making time to watch this video lesson. In this video lesson, we're going to look at matching names with statements questions for the IELTS reading test. And we're going to show you techniques you can use that will help you to find the correct answers quickly and easily. We will also show you the steps you need to take to help you improve your IELTS score. But first, let's check out the reading lesson. In this type of question, you will be given a list of names and you have to match these names with a statement about what this person did or said. So here are the tips and strategies we'll use for this type of task. Firstly, find all the names mentioned by scanning the entire reading passage. Each time you see one of the names mentioned, you should underline it or circle it so you can locate the correct place to read in more detail. Identify keywords in the question statements and underline them. Think of synonyms and paraphrases of these words. Start with the first name on the list and read to see if this information matches the information in the statement. Articles might not mention the first name, so you should focus more on the family name. If the person is called Sandra White, you might not see the name Sandra, but instead see Ms. White or Professor White. If a name is mentioned multiple times in the text, it will be more difficult to match to the statement. You should do these names last, once you've matched the statements to the other names. When you find a match, you should mark it off or put a cross next to it. You will only use each statement once. Now you have a strategy to help you prepare for and complete these kinds of tasks during the IELTS reading test. But learning how to do one reading task is only part of a greater solution that we've created to help you boost your band score for every section of the IELTS test without all the stress and frustration. So let me show you the 3 simple steps you need to take to help you to boost your band score by up to 2 bands in 54 days or less without paying too much for lessons. There are 3 steps every student needs to take to help you achieve your IELTS goals. You need to analyze the test format so that you have a clear understanding of how the test is conducted and how you are assessed by the examiner. You need to take action and learn the correct way to structure your answers. And you need to practice your new skills to achieve a great result. Taking these 3 important steps in the correct order will take you from where you are now to being completely ready for the IELTS test. By following our clear step-by-step method, it is possible to boost your band score by up to 2 bands in 54 days or less without paying too much for lessons. So who is this course for? The IELTS Whiz course is for people who are planning to take the IELTS academic test. Students who would like to study abroad, students who are entering or leaving university, and students who are trying to get a scholarship. This course is not for people who are planning to take the IELTS general training test. By now you're probably asking, what path should I follow to get a good result in my IELTS test? You can do it the old way by putting things together for yourself with plenty of stress and frustration, or you can do it the new way using the method I'll show you now. If it's okay with you, I would like to show you what we've created to help you boost your band score during the IELTS test. The IELTS Whiz course has everything you need to prepare for the IELTS test. We have a 9-part video series called Getting Started, which helps you to get a complete understanding of the test format and how the examiner gives you your band score. We have a 10-part video series that shows you how to write great Task 1 reports. We have 10 lessons explaining how to do each of the different essay types you may be asked to complete for writing Task 2. We have 8 videos that explain how to do speaking part 1, part 2, and part 3. There is an 11-part video series that explains each of the different task types you could get in the reading test. For listening, there's an 8-part video series that will help show you how to practice the right way for the listening test. As part of your final preparations before the test, we have a video called Test Day Advice and a Test Day Checklist. For each section of the IELTS test, we also have practice exercises that you can do to help you get ready for the day of your test. We also have a Facebook group that we created, so you can connect with other students doing the IELTS test and ask questions about things you're unsure of. Now, if I was to sell these courses separately, the cost would be $397. But when we sell them together on our website, the course is not $397 or even $297, it's only $97. We truly believe in the ability of the Band Score Booster course to help you to boost your band score during the IELTS test, which is why there's a 14-day no questions asked money back guarantee on all purchases of the Band Score Booster course. If you're unsatisfied for any reason at all, simply let us know and I will buy the program back from you with no questions asked. You can purchase with the safety and security of knowing our work is 100% guaranteed. You can do what you've done before and you will get the same results you've always experienced. You can stay on the path you're on with the same struggles and frustrations, or you can do this course that we put together just for you. You know that it's important for you to have a clear, step-by-step method you can follow to reach your goals, and that it's important to have a high-quality education so you have better job opportunities and a higher salary in the future. Following our step-by-step process will help you to stay on track and achieve your education goals more quickly, because absolutely everything that you need to reach your IELTS goals is all in one place. So remember, here's what you get when you join. You get the Getting Started video lessons and planner, you get the writing lessons, speaking lessons, reading lessons, and listening lessons, along with all the model answers, practice questions, and exercises. You get the Test Day Advice video and checklist, and you will become part of our Facebook community. In total, there are 57 video lessons, and they show you how to do each of the different sections of the IELTS test. Remember, it all comes back with our 14-day money-back guarantee. I've also tried to keep the cost down so it's within reach of all students. This means you get everything you need to do well in the IELTS test for only $97 for a 1-year membership. Where will you be in 90 days to a year if you don't get started now? If you don't take action, nothing is going to change. Just imagine how good it will feel to achieve the goals that you've set for yourself. It's time for you to take action and to do what is necessary to reach your goals. So as you can clearly see, improving your reading score is just a part of this greater journey. And we have a proven model with a very specific framework to help you reach your education goals. So what I'd like to do is to invite you to become part of the IELTS Whiz community, so you can get started doing the top 3 things you should be doing right now if you want to begin boosting your IELTS band score. So go ahead and click on the button below to join us in the community. It will be great to have you with us, and I'm really looking forward to helping you to achieve a great IELTS test result.